What's up guys, Tay here. Today I'm going to be unboxing an iPad mini 1/2/3 screen protector. Now as you can see here is my iPad mini 1. In case it's a 16 gigabytes on iOS 7.0.2 in case you're wondering. Very rare. The reason why I ended up on here is because a few years ago, some of my cats dropped this, and as you can see here, it shattered like a spider web and kind of cuts my fingers. These are all the apps from when I was little. I also installed some new ones too, but yeah. Let's get to unboxing this screen protector. I think it is a Jet Tech. Okay. Comes with a manual too, awesome, and a little card, awesome. First up, we're going to clean it. Should I use this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then probably a dry one, if there's a dry one.
Yes, there is.
Okay.
And so, first up, I'm going to clean off the screen so that way it sticks. And I try to avoid screen protectors if I have to, but this so that way I can actually use this thing. Let me just open this up here. Alright, I think this is good. Now we're going to use a dry wipe.
Make sure it's nice and dry so it sticks.
Alright, it's pretty good. Now I'm going to find where the actual screen protector is.
I think it's in the box. Under the little styrofoam.
Okay. Hi, Nina.
I believe the little tab has instructions too. They usually do.
Please peel off this mask before application. Okay. I just need to get the bubbles out here.
Did it come with any little cards that you can use to press them out? Those stiff cards? Are those not cards? Maybe that's it. Yeah. You use the edge.
Okay. And wow, it's like it never even cracked. okay, this is Tay Magger. This is Tay Magger from the iTunes fanboy. And thanks for watching, guys. And please help me get to 50 subscribers. Thank you, and bye-bye.